Everyone loves chrysanthemums, those cheerful fall blooms that appear on nearly every porch once September arrives. But let's be honest, mums are the pumpkin spice latte of autumn plants. Fun for a moment, then gone far too quickly. If you've ever watched yours wilt before Halloween, you know the disappointment. The good news is that there are plenty of fall plants that are tougher, longer lasting, and far more interesting. These alternatives keep containers full, colorful, and attractive well into late fall and even early winter. In this video, we're exploring 7 must-have fall container plants that outperform mums in almost every way, with richer texture, deeper color, and more personality. Whether your style is cozy cottage, clean and modern, or rustic farmhouse, these plants will make your porch stand out and leave your neighbors wondering how your pots still look amazing while theirs have already faded. Let's get started. By the end, you may never buy mums again. 1. Ornamental kale and cabbage, the cold season statement plant. We're starting with one of fall's most underrated stars, ornamental kale and ornamental cabbage. These aren't vegetables meant for the kitchen. They're grown purely for visual drama. Picture large sculptural rosettes in shades of creamy white, smoky green, soft blush, and rich purple. Each plant looks like a living work of art, bold and structured with incredible presence. Here's what makes them special. Cold weather makes them better. As nights grow cooler, their colors don't fade, they intensify. Purple tones deepen, pink centers become sharper, and green edges take on a frosted look. Every drop in temperature enhances their beauty. While mums often collapse after the first hard frost, ornamental kale and cabbage thrive in cold conditions. Light frost actually improves their appearance, and many gardeners enjoy them well into December, sometimes even with snow resting on their ruffled leaves. Because they grow large and dramatic, give them space. Deep, wide containers allow roots to establish properly and support full, symmetrical growth. One plant can easily serve as the focal point of a pot, but they also pair beautifully with trailing plants like ivy, creeping jenny, or wire vine cascading over the edges. For layered fall containers, place kale or cabbage in the center, then surround it with low-growing companions like pansies, dusty miller, or Heuchera. The contrast in texture and color makes the container look lush, balanced, and professionally designed. Care is refreshingly simple. Keep soil evenly moist but never soggy, and always use containers with drainage holes. Too much water can lead to root problems. Feeding with a diluted liquid fertilizer every few weeks helps maintain strong foliage and vivid color. If lower leaves yellow over time, simply remove them. This keeps the plant tidy and encourages continued growth. When most plants surrender to cold weather, ornamental kale and cabbage stand firm, colorful, and sculptural. If you're tired of fall containers that look tired too soon, this is where to start. These plants don't just survive fall, they own it. 2. Heuchera coral bells, the master of texture. If mums are all about blooms, Heuchera is all about refinement. This plant doesn't shout for attention, it draws you in slowly. The longer you look, the more impressive it becomes. Heuchera, also known as coral bells, is prized for its foliage. Leaves come in an incredible range of colors: deep black, smoky purple, copper, silver, chartreuse, and everything in between. Many varieties feature intricate veining and ruffled edges, giving each leaf a handcrafted appearance. Unlike many seasonal plants, Heuchera doesn't rely on flowers for interest. Its foliage stays full, rich, and vibrant deep into fall, keeping containers looking alive and polished while other plants fade. It's also wonderfully versatile. Heuchera prefers partial shade but tolerates full sun during cooler months, making it ideal for fall containers. It fills space beautifully, covering bare soil and creating that finished designer look. When choosing varieties, think about contrast. For bold drama, pair nearly black varieties like obsidian with silvery dusty miller or soft lamb's ear. For brightness, combine lime-colored cultivars such as lime marmalade with dark pansies or purple ornamental cabbage. For a natural woodland vibe, mix warm copper-toned Heuchera with ferns or small ornamental grasses. Heuchera blends seamlessly with other plants, but can also stand alone. A single plant in a textured pot looks minimal, elegant, and modern. Care is easy. Use a well-draining potting mix and keep soil lightly moist. Avoid overwatering. Soggy conditions can cause crown rot. Let the top inch of soil dry slightly before watering again. Remove spent flower stalks or damaged leaves occasionally to keep the plant looking fresh. As temperatures cool, many varieties deepen in color, adding even more fall interest. In mild climates, Heuchera is semi-evergreen, providing color even through winter. When spring arrives, simply refresh the container or pair it with new companions. Heuchera proves that fall beauty doesn't need flowers. With its long-lasting foliage and endless color options, it adds depth, texture, and quiet sophistication to any container. While mums may steal the spotlight briefly, Heuchera is the one that leaves a lasting impression. 3. Pansies and violas. Tiny flowers with big impact. If there's one plant that proves small flowers can still make a bold statement, it's pansies and violas. These compact blooms are packed with personality and bring long-lasting color to containers, long after many other plants have faded away. Think of them as the smiling faces of fall. Their soft, velvety petals look almost hand-painted, featuring intricate patterns, gentle gradients, and striking color combinations. You'll find them in nearly every shade imaginable. Deep purple, sunny yellow, clean white, fiery orange, soft blue, often all appearing on a single plant. What truly makes pansies and violas special is their love for cool weather. As temperatures drop, they don't slow down, they thrive. In many regions, they continue blooming through light frosts and well into early winter. While mums quickly wilt when cold arrives, pansies remain bright, cheerful, and unfazed, even with a light dusting of snow. For the fullest and most luxurious look, plant them close together in containers, hanging baskets, or window boxes. Dense planting creates a rich, overflowing display that looks intentional and polished. In mixed arrangements, use them to soften the base of taller plants such as ornamental grasses, Heuchera, or small evergreens. They also pair beautifully with ornamental kale and cabbage, where their delicate flowers contrast perfectly with bold, textured foliage. Because they stay low and spread outward, they act like a living carpet, covering bare soil and tying the entire design together. Care couldn't be easier. Keep the soil evenly moist but well drained, and avoid letting roots sit in standing water. Regularly pinch off faded blooms and new buds will quickly take their place. Here's a designer tip. If longevity is your goal, choose violas. Their smaller flowers tolerate cold even better than pansies, and often bloom longer and more consistently. In milder climates, they often reward you with a fresh burst of color in early spring, making them one of the best value plants for fall containers. While mums may grab attention for a few weeks, pansies and violas are the real marathon runners. Dependable, vibrant, and beautiful for months on end. 4. Ornamental grasses, drama, movement, and structure. If you want your fall containers to feel elevated and professionally designed, ornamental grasses are the secret ingredient. They add something flowers can't: movement. With every breeze, their blades sway, shimmer, and ripple, bringing life and energy to your containers. This gentle motion adds elegance and atmosphere, turning simple planters into living works of art. Grasses catch light beautifully, cast soft shadows, and instantly make an arrangement feel dynamic and high-end. In container design, grasses serve as the architectural backbone. They introduce height, structure, and contrast. Yet they remain surprisingly low maintenance. Some excellent container-friendly options include purple fountain grass, rich burgundy foliage topped with airy, glowing plumes that shine in evening light. Japanese forest grass, Heuchera, graceful cascading blades in green and gold, ideal for shaded spaces. Blue fescue, a compact mound of icy blue leaves that pairs perfectly with cool-toned plants like dusty miller or pansies. These grasses adapt effortlessly to different styles. Use one as a bold focal point in a large pot, or let it soften the edges of a smaller container. Whether your look is rustic farmhouse, relaxed cottage, or clean modern, ornamental grasses fit right in. Another standout feature is their evolving color. Many varieties shift tones as the season progresses, warming, deepening, or taking on silvery hues as temperatures fall. This subtle transformation keeps containers looking fresh and interesting all season long. Even winter brings beauty. Once frost arrives, dried plumes and blades become sculptural, catching morning light and sparkling beneath frost or snow. When most plants have disappeared, grasses continue to provide structure and visual interest. For best results, plant grasses in roomy containers with well-draining soil. Water regularly while they establish, then reduce watering. Most varieties are quite drought-tolerant once settled. In early spring, simply cut them back to a few inches above the soil to make room for new growth. Ornamental grasses don't just fill a container, they define it. They turn ordinary planters into focal points and bring motion, texture, and balance to every fall arrangement they're part of. 5. Heathers and heaths, the true stars of cold weather. Just as most plants are winding down for the season, heathers and heaths are hitting their peak. These compact, evergreen performers bring life, color, and fine texture precisely when gardens and entire neighborhoods begin to fade into winter gray. They form low, dense mounds of slender, needle-like foliage, topped with delicate clusters of tiny, bell-shaped flowers. Bloom colors range from soft white and pale pink to vivid magenta and deep purple. In containers, they look light and feathery, yet don't let that fool you. These plants are remarkably tough. Frost, cold winds, and freezing temperatures barely slow them down, and they continue looking fresh well into winter. What truly sets them apart is their foliage. As temperatures drop, many varieties shift color dramatically. Bright greens turn to warm copper, glowing gold, or even fiery red. This seasonal transformation means your containers never look static. They deepen in color and character week by week as fall progresses. If you love a natural, woodland-inspired style, something that feels organic, cozy, and slightly wild, heathers and heaths are a perfect match. They combine beautifully with ornamental grasses, small evergreen shrubs, or trailing ivy spilling over the edge of a pot. Together, these elements create rich layers of texture that look attractive from every angle. For best results, plant them in acidic, well-draining soil and keep moisture steady but moderate. They dislike wet, soggy roots, yet they shouldn't dry out completely either. A layer of bark mulch on top helps lock in moisture and shields roots once frost sets in. Design tip: combine varieties with staggered bloom times. This allows you to enjoy waves of color from early fall through early winter, and even longer in milder climates. Place containers where you can appreciate their detail near entryways, along paths, or beside patios. Add accents like mini pumpkins, pine cones, or bare branches to create instant autumn charm with the storybook feel. Even under a light blanket of snow, heathers and heaths keep their structure and appeal. While most plants disappear into winter, these evergreens continue to add color, texture, and life when everything else goes quiet. If you've ever wanted fall containers that still look vibrant in the depths of winter, this is your answer. 6. Sedum, the effortless fall. Essential for gardeners who want stunning containers with minimal work, sedum, and also known as stone crop, is unbeatable. It's the ultimate low-maintenance plant that delivers beauty all season long without constant attention. As a succulent, sedum stores moisture in its thick, fleshy leaves, making it exceptionally drought-resistant. Miss a watering or two? No problem. Sudden cold snaps, wind, or frost? Sedum takes it all in stride and keeps looking strong. Among the many varieties available, Sedum Autumn Joy stands out as a fall favorite. Its dense clusters of star-shaped flowers begin as soft pink, then slowly deepen into warm copper and rich red tones as the weather cools. By late fall, the blooms take on a burnished, bronze-like color that feels perfectly in tune with the season. Sedum's beauty isn't limited to its flowers. The plant's sturdy structure, thick stems, and rounded leaves adds a bold architectural presence to containers. It acts as a grounding element, balancing more delicate or trailing plants and giving arrangements a polished, intentional look. Pair sedum with ornamental kale, Heuchera, or dusty miller for striking contrast. Or lean into a natural, earthy style by surrounding it with moss, small gourds, pine cones, or driftwood. The mix of strong, succulent forms with softer textures creates a modern, rustic aesthetic that feels both relaxed and refined. As fall fades into winter, sedum quietly shifts roles. The flower heads dry naturally, and this is where many gardeners make a mistake. Leave them in place. Those dried blooms become stunning winter sculptures, catching frost and sparkling in morning light. Landscapers often leave sedum standing all winter for exactly this reason. Sedum thrives in full sun and well-draining soil, and it prefers a light touch when it comes to fertilizer. Too much feeding can cause floppy growth. Once established, it needs very little care and only occasional watering. Reliable, resilient, and effortlessly stylish, Sedum is the plant that always delivers without demanding anything in return. If you want fall containers that look intentional, modern, and stress-free, Sedum is an absolute must. 7. Dwarf evergreens. The year-round backbone of every container. If you've ever dreamed of container displays that don't lose their charm once winter arrives, and still look great when spring rolls back around, dwarf evergreens are exactly what you need. These compact, cold-hardy shrubs deliver constant structure and color to porches, patios, and entryways. While mums and other seasonal plants fade and collapse by late autumn, evergreens hold their form, stay dense, and remain visually strong through frost, snow, and icy winds. Few plants offer this level of reliability. Options like dwarf Alberta spruce, small boxwood varieties, juniper, and miniature arborvitae come in a wide range of textures and shades, from deep forest green to cool blue-silver tones. Some grow upright in tidy cones, others form soft, rounded shapes, and certain types naturally spill or arch, adding movement to containers. One of their biggest advantages is versatility. In sleek modern planters, they look clean and architectural. In clay pots, wicker baskets, or wooden barrels, they instantly feel warm and traditional. No matter your design style, dwarf evergreens blend in effortlessly while still elevating the overall look. Their true value shines in how easily they transition through the seasons. Think of them as living anchors. In fall, surround them with colorful companions like pansies, ornamental cabbage, or heuchera. When winter arrives, dress them up with pine cones, red berried branches, or soft string lights for a festive touch. In spring, simply change out the accents for bulbs or annuals. The evergreen remains the centerpiece all year long. Maintenance couldn't be easier. Once settled in, they need minimal watering and very little attention. Just make sure the container has excellent drainage, since evergreens dislike soggy soil. A light shaping trim in early spring helps keep them compact, healthy, and well-defined. Designer tip: use the classic thriller, filler, spiller approach. Let the evergreen serve as your thriller, the bold focal point. Add filler plants like Heuchera or kale around the base, then soften the edges with trailing ivy or creeping jenny. The result is a layered, professional-looking arrangement that feels complete from every angle. And perhaps the greatest benefit of all, they stay green year-round. Even when everything else has gone dormant or disappeared, dwarf evergreens keep containers looking alive and intentional. No empty pots, no winter slump. If you're done replanting every few months and want containers that feel polished in every season, dwarf evergreens are the perfect foundation. Timeless, resilient, and endlessly adaptable. They're the quiet heroes of truly four-season design. With one planted in your fall container, your porch won't just survive winter. It will shine straight through it.